Trying to use SmartView on your Samsung Galaxy S26 or Plus, but it won't connect to your TV? Maybe the device doesn't show up, or it keeps failing to mirror. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and a few quick settings can usually fix it. Let me walk you through the steps. First, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network for SmartView to work. VPNs can sometimes block the connection between your phone and the TV, so you have to turn off any VPN on your phone and TV. Now, open the Quick Panel on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you can't see SmartView here, tap the Pen button, then hit on Add Control. Now select SmartView and Done. Tap the SmartView icon. From here, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and go to Settings. First, open Labs. Inside Labs, make sure Allow All Apps to be Cast is turned on. Also enable Chromecast support if it's available. Now, go back once. Scroll all the way down and tap About SmartView, then tap the Info icon. Next, go to Permissions and select Nearby Devices. Make sure the permission is set to Allow. After that, go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This refreshes SmartView and often fixes connection issues. Now, go back and try connecting again using SmartView. If it's still not connecting, simply restart both your phone and the TV. Then try again. Finally, you have to check your TV screen. If a permission prompt appears, make sure you tap Allow, because some TVs require confirmation before screen mirroring can start. After these steps, SmartView should start working again and connect to your TV without any problem. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time.